Welcome once again to Sweat and Cheers. I am Darlene, Exercise Queen, and we're about to do the third exercise in the series of 5 exercises, doing them for 1 minute to help beginners get your exercise program off the ground and running. So this one is very easy to do. What you do is begin to run in place, and you're going to just let your hands dangle like a rag doll. This will help reduce your arms, your feet, your legs, your thighs. Every part of your body pretty much is being exercised at this time. So let's begin right now. Here we go. 1 minute. Ragdoll. Just let your hands and arms go limp. This is so simple, but you're getting a lot of benefit out of it. Let those arms dangle, feet moving, running in place, arms dangling like a rag doll. Keep it moving if you can. If you cannot, stop and relax. Do what you can up to 1 minute. Okay, now that you've completed that exercise, rest for about 15 to 20 seconds. And I applaud you for getting to the end, doing it for a minute or however long you did it. You were here and you did something for your body. There are people who may not be able to do everything the full minute the first time. So it's okay. Just come back again and do it all over again. Once again, I applaud you. Thank you for joining us here at Sweat and Cheers. God bless. I love you. This is Darlene, Exercise Queen. Have a great day.